So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to share some commentary regarding those cards. This is an oracle deck. I find it to be a very practical and workable deck, especially if you're a pagan, especially if you're interested in the ancient Greek pantheon. This is a very good oracle to have. Very practical, you can work with this, and it gives you very accurate and good advice and good predictions. So the only con that I have regarding this deck is that we have those cards which are saying Plutos and Pluton. Here Plutos is representing wealth, and here Pluton represents the underworld. I think it's basically the same card. I think they could add here maybe Hades instead of putting, the same god in two different ways. And also we have the card of wealth with Plutos, and we also have the card of Tyche, fortune. So it basically represents the same thing. And also with Apollo, they wrote God of Light. I mean, this is fair, but they could give this card a different representation that will make it more interesting. And also the card of Artemis is the goddess of light. Again, it is fair, but I think Artemis is more than the goddess of light, and Apollo is also more than the god of light, although it is fine. So the deck is very good, as I said, it's practical, and I like the illustrations that they took from real ancient Greek pottery. Some of the cards are looking more of 3D printed, very computer-like, but again, it's okay, we still can work with this. I think the deck is beautiful, workable, and very practical. So I will definitely work with this deck. I like this deck, and I also suggest for you, if you're interested, to actually purchase this deck. And basically that's it. So anyways, thank you for watching. Again, if you're interested in learning the Tarot de Marseille, you can download my book. The link is down below, and you can have all the interpretations to the cards and understand the Tarot de Marseille. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.